But the stoplight is really terrible.
Mm.
Okay, I will see how I can cut. Okay, let's cut. You're not cut, you cannot go. Cut. Okay. Cut in front or cut here? Okay.
Good enough they don't get mad at you, right, ma'am?
Yeah. But this
Some
day,
some
just to
drivers
see-
they don't like that.
Just these days, just to see who can drive nicely.
Anyway, yeah. You need to pass quickly.
Yeah, you're right. If you do not know how to drive,
Mm.
you know, I find out
Mm.
I'm the person is really only can make the right ways money. You know, just you do business, you can make money.
Mm.
But you think gambling,
Mm.
I never win.
Sometimes you win in
I think
mahjong.
yes, but it's, you know what? They are all stronger than me. They, you know, like Sharon, she always play his friends,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and it's both of them. They always play with the friends.
Yeah,
Only
yeah.
me,
No.
no.
But at least you always win before.
Before yes, but now
Only this time. 2 times already, no? Right?
I tell you, I'm just it's terrible.
That is really gambler. You win today, next time no win.
No, I already now win three times.
3 times already?
Hmm.
Wow. Maybe you check
But
your...
the free time, yeah, I should really. So these days, always pray with them. It's not good. So I cancel on Monday. I just say I'm sorry. I have reasons.
Yeah. Who asking you play?
Miss Liang,
Oh, because she's...
she come back from Taiwan. Of course, Anne want to play because she can eat good and she can win the award. But before she lose a lot of money.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah.
She lose a lot of money. Mom Ann doesn't have ama?
She have one arm.
Oh. Indonesian? Philippine?
Philippine. Our this is a friend, except Sharon is poor.
Mm.
They all rich. But Sharon is her daughter is doing business too.
Oh.
She's not poor.
Yeah. She's retired. Retired.
She just like to play with me.
Yeah. So Anne also rich.
And yeah, her husband is doing like a car business. And Miss Lau, she's doing a handkerchief, the gloves.
Oh, wow, really?
Business, yes, in China.
Oh.
But they already closed their factory. They're retired already.
Mm.
Yeah. My mom is mad
Why?
because she want me to Yamcha with her tomorrow, and I go to Yamcha with her tomorrow,
Mm.
and then she says, no use, you know.
Mm.
Yamcha, she's not eat anything, and I says, I just says,
But anyway, you already bring her to your house. Maybe
Yeah.
next time.
but she wants that. Oh, you should pick me up. Blah, blah. How? You just come back and then from
Yeah.
my house, and then you say, oh, I will never come to your house again because it's so troublesome.
That I heard that last when we
Yeah.
bring her up.
And then so right now she say, oh, you should. And you know what?
Mm.
When she sleep with me, I cannot sleep. You know.
Oh.
Oh,
But she
you
really
know, I'm the person who will meet very, very quiet.
maybe next time she will sleep to her room. To the guest room.
And who will take care of her?
Me.
You? Huh?
Rose.
God. You're asleep deep then in Popo.
No. Only I'm tired. I help Rose when I go there. I'm the one who wake up.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes if I tired, or sometimes today I cannot sleep, and tomorrow I really have deep sleep.
Okay.
Something
you
like that.
Sleep in her room. And then
Yeah.
I think that will be okay.
And Rose, what happened to Rose? She can come.
Sleep in our house or sleep in her house. So what's the difference?
Of course, she want to stay with you. She's old, you know. She's happy, you know. I think Popo this time she's boring, you know. She want to go always to the other place. That's why after eat, lobby. Before eat, lobby. And then later on, if she forgets, she wake up 3 o'clock. What is that? Club.
Ay,
Oh,
my ring.
we go to club. What, Popo? What time? 3 o'clock? You go to club? And then later on, she asked me to put her pants. Where are you going, Popo? What? Outside. She said outside. Niga club.
Niga.
No, yeah. No, Nikan. I said, I get the clock. I will show to her.
She's crazy. Oh my gosh.
That is really old, you know. We do not know how can we manage also when we are old. Imagine she's 90. Oh my God. But she look is very strong, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
She really look very strong. You cannot
She's
even,
not sick at all.
yeah, you cannot even say she have speak. But you know,
Right now her 屁股 is 好啦
yeah,
her leg is 好啦
yeah.
and then she's complaining the mouth. The mouth is,
I think sometimes you really bring her to the hospital so that they can give her the right medicine.
I want to bring her to go to the dentist.
Yeah.
The dentist should really help her.
Yeah, and then you get the medicine that is really for the more ulcer.
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
I should do that.
You know, I tell to Rose before because
So you guys cannot.
me, I really agree if you bring her to the hospital because Darrell before, Sunshine, they all have
My
the
ring
one.
is there.
Later we can get.
Oh, right.
Yeah, especially now you are driving, you cannot.
You pick up this.
Tanisha.
My husband will come. almost is 1 hour, you know.
Yeah.
You see?
Before it's only 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Before it's traffic. Because it's traffic.
Oh, you do not know the last time is how many hours? Remember the traffic jam on the tunnel?
Mm.
Oh, so long time. Oh, you're not there. It's Poco.
Before?
Poco. Yeah.
Mhm.
That day. Wow, my God. We're with Rose.
Mm-hmm.
Christmas that day.
Oh.
Oh, we are waiting for so long time. Ask my, I think the xiaolong bao. I still want some rice, okay?
Okay.
So today's rice you still have, right?
Yes.
Okay, you want the rice with the 那个酒 and it's a 小笼包 3, okay?
Mm.
My husband 3, I 3
Mm.
with chow chow wan hong chai.
That is only 8, I think.
Only 8.
Yeah.
Oh, no need to leave 2 for my.
Okay. Next time.
Yeah. Oh, we must learn how to pack.
Yeah.
Oh, that's I want to learn, you know.
Later I will again.
You still have jiu chai, right?
Yeah, we have
Jiu
Jiu Chai.
Tomorrow make the Chinese pizza, okay? Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night, I do not know if we still have pork. Beef have.
No problem. I use the egg. Shrimp.
Ah, only buy. Okay, I only egg. Okay.
Oh, egg.
Okay, okay. Chinese pizza is okay.
Tomorrow lunch. We go out for lunch.
Okay.
And that's a dinner.
Chinese pizza.
Chinese pizza.
Okay.
Oh, my mom says, she's so lonely.
It's up to you, mom. But you just go. Later, Chinese New Year, she will come here again, right?
Just here, we're not in Hong Kong.
I thought Mikey come here.
Mikey come here, yes. That's that day. Yeah.
When is Mikey come?
Mikey, I don't know.
Jackie.
Jackie, Mikey, all time.
Okay.
I think my husband already worked.
Already there? You said traffic.
That's okay. We're not wasting any minute.
Yeah.
We're just so early.
Already here?
It's cold. 我今天搞不利落。
Yep. What?
我今天输的很厉害。
赢得厉害。
输。
Why?
我最近的这个运气不好，所以
为什么
我下个星期不打了。
为什么？你 quit out 了？
对 ，stop。
What happened?
不知道，because they're 他们是每天打 ，OK，
Okay.
经常打，他们都是
没有时间
麻将
做的，
哎，他们都是麻将老手，
这个一个是梁小姐
不是 Anne
，OK
欧小姐，还有
OK
另外一个刘太太，他们都是麻将老手。
OK，
他们都是麻将冠军，
哎呀
我是小的不走，
，OK，
所以
你输了多少钱？
今天输了380。
哇，也不少哦。
是喽，不要再输了。
对，哇，谁赢了？
啊 Anne
赢多少？
赢了300，
嗯，
是那个另外一个刘太太赢了80，但是之前那个刘太太输了1000多，哈哈，有一次，所以
嗯。OK，所以我定了明天下午5点钟在 HKIS 打球。
Mom, you know, what my mom said, so be around the 5 o'clock for me. Olivia, you come to pick me up to go to your house? I said no. 我说呢，你已经说了不再来我们家了。我有说吗？
嗯
那就是说明天不养茶喽。
嗯
我说妈，带你去养茶，你就养不了，你就吃不了，有什么用？
嗯
他的意思还是想去养茶，但是我没有想打算去，你呢？
我跟着你，我1000%跟着你。
他就是想
你要跟他压榨，我们就压榨；你不要跟他压榨，那个我们就不压榨。但是如果我们真的要跟他压榨，我希望找新的地方。
哪儿？
你那天我们去那个日本法国，你记得吗？
他不要。
旁边是另外一个
我不要听他 complain，OK？、
他是叫他给他好歹是他，
我不要听他 complain。She's always complain。
但是那个老的他也 complain。
他就喜欢吃周周。你那个我们去请他喝茶，然后他要吃周周，有什么意义
What is this guy doing?
？Yeah。
You're fucking crazy.所以他我天天看他就是吃周周。
呀，他每天都是吃周周很高兴。你给他做其他东西，他也吃不了。
OK， 但是他也要人家陪他，是不是？
呀，
他
就是
lonely。
他就是 lonely，
对。
他要人家陪他，我哪里有那么多时间陪他？今天他早上6点钟打电话给我，你知道吗？他说：“哦，我要跟你去打麻将。”我说：“我们那个麻将 room 很小，根本你坐不下。”哦，我要去你那里打麻将。
嗯。
我说妈，刚刚6点钟我还在睡觉，你会让我睡觉吗？ 你那么自私，不带我去打麻将。自私，不带他去打。
你开得太快了。
太快了。
Yes, too fast.